In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Sims 4 is not launching on your computer. So if you're trying to play Sims 4 either through the EA app or the Steam app and it's not opening, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is just head inside of your EA application, click on the navigation bar in the top left-hand side and select Library. We're then going to scroll down to Sims 4 and click on the 3 horizontal dots and go and select Repair. Now just give that a couple of seconds while it tries to look for any issues with the app itself. Once this has finished repairing, you can try opening back up Sims and checking to see if that solves your issue. Now, if it's not working, then just close out of this application, go and open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Windows Security and click on this window. Click on Allow an app through Firewall, click on Change Settings, and then just scroll through this list and look for the Sims 4 application. So you can see that I already have this application here, and you just need to make sure both private and public are ticked like this, and then we can go and press OK. Now, if you don't see the Sims 4 in this list, then you can always add it manually by clicking on Allow another app, click on Browse, and then just head inside of the C drive on your computer, click on Program Files, click on EA Games, click on The Sims 4, double click on Game, double click on Bin, and where it says TS4_launcher, you just need to click on Open and select Add. Once you've added this to the list, you can then go and select Private and Public and press OK. Now, if that's not working, we just need to locate the EA app on our desktop, go and right click on this, and then click on Properties. Click on Compatibility, and make sure to check Run this program as administrator, and press Apply and OK. You're then going to right click on the app and select Run as administrator. Once you have the app running, click on the navigation bar in the very top left side, click on Settings, click on Application, and then scroll down until you see In-Game Overlay, and just make sure to turn this off and disable it. Once you've done that, you can head back over to your library and check to see if you can launch up The Sims 4. Another thing that you can try doing is if you're currently using the EA app, then what you can do is go and install Steam onto your computer, and you can go and install Sims 4 from Steam, and you can check to see if you can open it from here. Also, vice versa as well, if you're already using Steam, then try using the EA launcher instead. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the final solution is just to make sure you're not running any custom mods for your game. So this could include any mods or custom content or anything outside of the standard Sims 4 installation. Make sure to go in, remove and disable these, and then you should be able to launch Sims 4 without any issues. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.